Hey, welcome back to Spraker Homestead. I'm Kanan. Today I'm going to give you kind of a unboxing and review of a new set of boots we're going to try out this winter. Now, if you guys have followed our channel for a while, you know we always recommend working one season ahead. So here it is, early October. It is autumn, which means we are preparing for winter this year. Nikki needed a new set of boots, so we picked up a new set from Kalkal to try out this winter. Now, you guys know winter for us can mean we could have feet of snow to deal with, which means that it's going to be cold, it's going to be wet, and it's going to be slippery. So some of the things we're looking for out of these Kalkal boots is a good tread. Now you can see on the bottom of here, these have a nice, good rubber sole for good slick weather. They'll keep nice aggressive. And the tread itself is going to be great. It won't pack up with snow. It won't become slippery. Now the bottom set here is rubber, which means it's waterproof, which we're going to need, of course, during the melt for us. That can mean inches of running water, and these waterproof boots are going to be perfect to keep feet dry. Now some of the things we do like inside, there's going to be a breathable insole that you can take out. It's also going to help keep your feet a little bit dry from being sweaty. The top here is made of a nice neoprene that comes in black or a dark brown, and this is going to help with conforming to your calf, and it's going to help with getting them on and off. Now, Nikki prefers the mid-calf size, which is what this is. They do come in a full length or a full calf, which is what I prefer, or you do have the option of just an ankle high, which is, of course, just probably about here, just to slip on over your feet, comes right on under your ankle bone. Now these do have a nice pull tab to help pull them on, and on the heel to take them off. They do have a kick tab, so you can kind of use your other foot and push down on this tab, which helps them come off a lot easier. Now, of course, they're soft, flexible, makes them nice to conform to your feet and to the terrain you're on. Now they're beautiful because for us, we see a lot of mud in the winter. We see snow in the winter. In the melt, we obviously see a lot of water, mud, etc. And they're beautiful for gardening because a lot of times you have to water your garden, your feet get wet. These will keep your feet dry. And of course, Nikki has to clean a lot of rabbit cages around here, which also does a lot of pressure washing, and it gets a lot of splashback you have to deal with. So good, warm, waterproof boot is exactly what we need. Now later on, we're going to do another video giving kind of a critique of these or a review of how they wear in over the next few months as Nikki wears them. And I'll try out a set myself. We have different functions here on the Homestead, but we expect the same results from these boots. Now, if you're interested in checking out some of the features, the cost of them, or the sizes available, you can check down in the video description. There's a link there to jump over to Kalkal's website or to Amazon to check out their sales. If you have any questions of us based on these boots, put it down in the video comments. Otherwise, we'll see you next time. Check them out. You need a new set of boots.